virtual reality is now been for many years, and to implement virtual reality, we use this virtual headset. Hey everyone, this is Mac, and today I'm going to talk about the working of a virtual headset. Now, when we talk about a virtual headset, a video is sent from a computer to the headset using the HDMI cable or a smartphone. Two screens are used, one for the left eye and one for the right eye, thus giving us a 3D effect. The frame rates are 60 to 120 FPS, that is frame per second, to give the realistic view. Users can move its head and eyes. Sensors like gyroscopic and accelerometers help a lot in virtual headset. Some headsets also uses infrared sensors to monitor the eye movement. And of course, virtual headsets also uses 3D sound. In short, virtual reality is like dreaming with your eyes open. And to implement this, we use this virtual headset. Thank you for watching the video. I will be uploading some more videos on the input output devices.